This is February 17, 2026, day one of the movers. Day one is strictly boxing everything in sight. If I had to do the packing for such a place as Japan, I would really be stressing now. So thank God the movers are here and they're doing everything for us. As you see behind me, I have no idea. I think we'll be sleeping on some homemade beds for the next 3 weeks. But yeah, this is really happening. Japan, here we come. Just boarded the flight from Atlanta to Fort Worth.